Hello and thank you for joining me today. This is Maxi Limit. I just finished watching the WWDC Apple event today, September 14th, and right after the event, they dropped the iOS 15 RC release candidate. This is the final version before the public release. Now, unfortunately, if you want to get your hands on this update, you need to be a developer. Because the public version will definitely come out next week, I think on the 20th. Now, that being said, there is always a way to go around it. So if you want to be able to install this today as today's date, you can check my other video that I posted a few weeks ago about how to get your hands on the iOS 15 beta 1. That will explain to you how you can actually install this without being a developer. So in this video, I'm going to just give you a quick review about the iOS 15 release candidate so you can have an idea before installing it. So as always, before installing this, I have 36 gigabyte remaining, and we're going to see how many space I'm going to gain or lose after the install. Right now, I'm using the iOS 15 beta 8. And then I'm about to install it. And as you can see, my battery also is at 92%, and this is an iPhone 11 Pro. So, and again, those are the wallpaper that I have right now on my phone. All this to see if we are going to have any difference. Okay. Other than that, we are actually good to start. So the installation is completed, and as you can see, we have 41.7 gigabyte left. That is, I think, is a big of increase there from my beta version. Also, I went and checked for the batteries, and there's nothing different on the battery. I understand that sometimes when you reinstall your phone, then you can gain or lose some battery percentage, but actually the phone is just rechecking or recalculating how many battery percentage you have. And as well as on the wallpaper, we did not have any new wallpaper. So yeah, the beta 9 and the beta 8 was kind of a good beta already, so there's nothing different between the beta 8 and the release candidate. Anyway, this was a quick review, a quick overview of the iOS 15 beta, not the beta but the release candidate. You can see how things are going to be taken out. Later on, I will do a full review of the iOS 15 release candidate, so you guys can have a deep understanding of this new iOS. All right, thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this video. I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.